Friday. Well, we are going to attempt something a little different today. I was sitting here, it's Thursday evening, and I thought, what am I gonna make for dinner? What am I gonna make? And I just had a hankering for one of my favorite pastime salads. Now, I'm from the West Coast, and back in high school and college, one of my favorite places to go to was Cocos. Now, I don't believe they have them on the East Coast, or I would have found one and I would have made a trip. And one of my favorite salads, back in the day, they called it the Oriental chicken salad. They have renamed it. I believe it's the Cocos chicken Asian sesame salad. I'm not quite sure because I haven't been there in years. But I did find a recipe, and we're going to attempt to duplicate it, and let's see if it tastes as good as the real thing. Now, I will tell you I'm going to be taking a few shortcuts by using a rotisserie chicken. It's been a long day, and I don't feel like boiling some chicken and chopping it. It's just, why do it, right? You know, take a shortcut, kick your feet up. All right, let's suit up. Let's get these glasses on. We've got the laptop on standby where I've got the recipe right in front of me. Let's do this. All right, the first ingredient you're gonna need is a 1/4 cup canola oil. Next, a 1/4 cup minced onion. Next, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, a must. 1/4 cup rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. Next, a 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1/4 cup orange juice. Next, 2 tablespoons toasted sesame oil. Next, a 1/4 cup corn syrup. And a tablespoon of Grandma's molasses. A teaspoon of fresh ginger, which I totally forgot to get at the store, and a tablespoon of pulverized almonds. A teaspoon of white pepper. A sprinkling of sesame seeds. A bag of wonton strips. You're going to need some romaine lettuce, finely chopped. And I picked up this Asian chop kit at the store, which is cabbage, green cabbage, carrots, celery, wonton strips, slivered almonds, green onions, and cilantro. And to make it real easy tonight, I have picked up a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, which I'm going to pull apart. Add 1/4 cup canola oil into a pan. Now I'm adding a 1/4 cup minced onion. And now I'm going to heat it to 250 degrees and then turn the heat off. And then I'm adding 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. Now I'm doubling the recipe for my big family, so you guys won't have to do that unless you have a big family too. You want to bring the temperature up to 250 degrees and cook it for 10 minutes. In this pot, I'm going to combine 1/4 cup rice wine vinegar. Now I'm doubling my batch, so I'm going to do it twice. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1/4 cup orange juice. 1 tablespoon molasses. 1/4 cup corn syrup. 2 tablespoons toasted sesame oil. 'And now whisk all the ingredients together. All right, next we're gonna pour the warm oil through this strainer as I stir this. All right, now we're gonna pour all of our mixture into the pan and heat it. Basically, you wanna bring the temperature up to about 270, and then you're gonna let it cool before you put the dressing in a jar. Not ready yet. You can tell now that the color is getting a little bit darker and thicker, and that's what we're looking for. The dressing is really thickened up, and now we're just gonna let it cool before we can place it into a container and assemble our salads. So here I have my salad. I decided against the romaine because this had everything in it that I wanted. And now I'm gonna top it with some rotisserie chicken. And let's see, some slivered almonds. And wait for it. So you can see here just how thick this dressing is. It may look unappealing, but I'm telling you, it is to die for. So what I'm gonna do is drizzle it here on top of my salad. And now I'm gonna top it. And now I'm gonna top it with some wontons, Chinese chicken salad wontons, and some sesame seeds. And there you have it. Bon appetit. And what I do is kind of get in there and mix it up. And I'll take a bite. Let's try it. So good. You guys have to try this. You can taste the orange juice, the sesame oil. You get the crunch of the wontons and the carrots, and the cilantro adds a nice flavor. Super, super good. I forgot to mention, if you throw on some chopped scallions on the top just a little bit, even better. So there's one thing I remember when I used to eat this salad, and it was my mouth feeling like it was on fire. You guys feeling it?